Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Tinder without phone number. So first, open your internet browser and in the search bar you need to type temp SMS. If you scroll down, you will see some country flags, and these are the countries of which you can use the phone number to create your fake Tinder account. So select any country. I'll select Philippines, and these are the fake phone numbers that you can use to create your Tinder account. So select any one number and now right next to the phone number, copy the phone and then go back to Tinder, and then for verification code, this will be sent to your virtual phone number. So you will receive the OTP code, and once you have received it, all you have to do is copy and paste it on Tinder. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!